Hello and welcome everyone. This is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as expert and owner of a Google partner company. Today I'm here with a latest video regarding Google new update regarding Google Ads, maximizing performance on search queries. So let's get started. I will be doing a detailed discussion plus reading the news, so you can conclude on what's the update and how it can help you as a Google account holder. So maximizing performance with on search with updates to query matching. It was released on 26 June. So what Google said is that the breakthroughs in AI are helping us tackle questions in ways Google search has never done before. That's why we are continuously improving AI-powered broad match to help you reach your customers no matter how they are searching. Okay. In the past, I have not been, recommending to run broad match queries for your targeting your traffic. I never been fond of a broad match. Even if you are going to run a branding campaign, even if you're going to do mass targeting, even then still it's not a viable option. For years I thought that why did the Google created a broad match option, but that because in the broad match, even if a query has a three words and if any word appears on any query anywhere, your ad will be shown. So that was a quite highly untargeted. Again, some companies who have a large huge budget, they might still be using the broad match. But now let's discuss on. As one example, in the last 6 months, AI powered improvements to quality, relevance, and language understanding have improved broadband performance by 10% for advertisers using smart bidding. To make it even easier for you to benefit for these improvements, we are launching 4 updates to query matching and brand controls. Okay, so the number one is making it easier to manage brand traffic. So in case if you have a brand, in case if you have any brand traffic, uh, and you know that now it's being included in the brand inclusions and brand exclusions in Performance Max. So yeah, that is in case if you are getting a brand traffic, if your website is that name brand and people are searching different queries to land on your website. So yeah, it is going to be easier for you to manage through the brand traffic. The second recommendation is new recommendation for brand inclusions and broad match. Brand inclusions and broad match help you brand companies get the benefit of broad match while limiting traffic to the brand you select. It's now easier for you to identify and take action on these opportunities through a new brand inclusion recommendations on your recommendations page. So yeah, this is a good inclusion. And they are even they have quoted someone like a French automobile brand wanted to improve performance of their brand campaigns by implementing broad match with brand inclusion. They are saw for 50% increase in conversions at a 35% lower cost per lead. Okay, there is something, what I wanted to tell people is that whenever there is a brand a broad match included with the brand inclusion, it is something people is searching or people already know about that specific brand or product, which is why they are searching the direct query on the Google. You need to understand one of the reason, apart from better targeting, the other reason is that the customer or the consumer has a already mindset on that product, which is why he or she is searching that query. Brand inclusions have become the best practice on our accounts, allowing us to drive more qualified traffic with a better conversion rate. So yeah, banned exclusions across all match type and dynamic search, but ads is also being added, giving you more visibility in the search term reports. Okay, now this is another important aspect where I like to tell, whenever you are looking on search terms report, Google has said that on average 9% of search terms previously under other due to misspellings in the search terms are now additionally visible as well. So this will also help. Yeah, this is well, the feature function which I like the most from the Google update is that you are going to see more search terms in search term report. Through that, you can figure out what keywords are converting for you and which time, which day, which hour, with which ad, with which extensions. So now you have 9% more data. So that also helps you. Previously the variations, misspelling were the part of the same keyword. Now Google is going to differentiate between variations and misspellings and going to show them as a separate entity in keywords, so you can exactly figure out in case if you are getting any conversions from misspellings or different variations which were previously covered in the same keyword. And it is also making it easier to block misspelled searches. So that is also a very good add-on for negative keywords where you do not want your ad to be shown on. And so yeah, this is their summary on what has been updated. Negative keywords, only one negative keyword is needed to account for misspellings. Okay, so if I add YouTube, everything where I have the YouTube is going to be added as a negative. Now the new addition over here is misspelling, like this is a YouTube music. Now previously this was not being added as a negative keyword whenever I add the word YouTube. Now because YouTube is now the misspelling of YouTube, so Google will now automatically recognize those variations, and automatically your ad won't be shown on the negative keywords ad variation as well. So yeah, this is a very good addition. uh, and this is going to save a lot of time, because you may have find someone again another day new misspellings every other day, through which you are getting irrelevant traffic. So you can simply block them by having the main keyword as a negative keyword. Now the second is brand inclusions, only available in broad match, only serves on searches that include the brand you select or products that are related to those brands when using broad match. So yeah, if you add the word YouTube, you're anywhere the word YouTube or its misspelling is being shown, and with any other query your product your ad is being shown. Now for instance, now to understand it, for instance, my main product is iPhone. Okay, so now any other where the word iPhone is being included, my ad will be shown. That is a very good version. Now the second thing is that the variations, misspellings and different variations on that as well, my ad will be shown as well. But again, brand inclusion requires a high monitoring, otherwise you're going to waste a lot of money still. So which is why I still recommend to go with cautious with brand broad match, even with brand inclusion. The last update is brand exclusion. Available across all match types, and DSA means dynamic search ads. Does not serve on searches that include the brand you select or products that are related. For instance, if you add the word YouTube, your ad won't be shown. You can see over here all the variations where your ad won't be shown. Even the like you Google Music app, Google is going to understand that it is talking about the YouTube. Your ad won't be shown, but your ad will be shown for music streaming or other keywords where your brand is not being shown. So you can see that a lot work is being done uh, in this update regarding to Google's AI, but still a manual review of your account is very important. And in case if you ever need any help in doing a professional audit of your Google Ads account, me and my team can definitely help you. You can hire us through the link in the description. And yes, how did you find this update? If you like it, do comment. If you don't like, do comment with your thoughts. And I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And once again, in case if you want a professional team to get your Google Ads campaign done, or have an audit done, just hire us through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.